Hi, Karen here. So I took down Christmas a while ago, except I realized that I left the snowflakes on the window out of the living room. So I thought I would just take a moment and show you how easy it is to remove chalked transfers from products, and certainly glass is one of them. So here, hopefully you can see some of them that are right here. I have them in white and light blue and silver, so they don't show up great, but you kind of get the gist of it. So all I'm going to do is use my mister. I use distilled water, and then I'm going to take my scraper, and literally, I'm just like going like this. I mean, how simple is this, right? I mean, you see the paste that's coming off, and I just kind of actually put way too much water on the window. I put way too much water on the window, but I wanted just to let you see it, and you can tell that it's just literally gone. So what that means is that when you are using many of our products, you can do this on the frames. And so you are not limited to just using that frame and that stencil and that paste one time. Now certainly we have inks, and inks are a different thing, but for our paste, you can use them again and again. I did this in our powder room bathroom for Christmas and had some of our holiday season decorations on there, and it was just really sweet. So here, again, all you're gonna do is wipe it off, and now I've seen the areas where I've missed, and I can come back in and take those down. And I mean, literally, how simple is this, right? So I just wanted to show you how simple it is to use and to take apart so that you can use it again at your next convenience. So hopefully that helps and you get a chance to do it yourself. If you need any help, feel free to reach out. Thanks, bye.